In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can update passwords in Google Passwords Manager. If you change your password and now your autofill is going or crazy because it's autofilling the wrong one, don't worry, you are not the only one. So if you want to edit this password, just follow few simple steps. First, open Settings and scroll to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now a common mistake, instead of tapping on this pen on the right, select Google on the left. Then hit Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna edit by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!